Hi everyone, it's Sarah and Ginger Cat here from Sarah Homfray Embroidery, and the map is up behind me, so that can only mean one thing. And it's that time of the year when we turn the channel over for you and we ask you to send your videos in of embroidery that you're making for stitching around the world for World Embroidery Day 2026. So if you're new to the channel and you don't know what I'm talking about, do go and check out the playlist at the end of this video to see lots of other videos from our Stitching Around the World series, to see what it's all about and to see what videos other people have made. And what we do is we ask you to make a little video of something that you have made or something that you are making currently. Just tell us a little bit about it and share it with the community in celebration of embroidery on World Embroidery Day. So World Embroidery Day is on the 30th of July, so this year that is a Thursday, so we need to start collecting your videos in now so that Jonathan's got time to edit them all. What we need from you is a short video, so just 1 to 2 minutes please. I know that's not very long, but we have to squeeze a lot of people in, and show us something that you are working on now or something that you've finished recently that is embroidery related. So anyone can join in with this. We don't do a selection, we don't pick out our favourite ones or anything like that. Anybody who wants to can enter this, and we really welcome back our regular contributors as well. We love seeing what you're working on this year. And also if you're new to stitching and you're new to these videos as well, you've never entered one of these videos and every year you think, oh shall I, shan't I, and then you regret it because you haven't done it and everyone else has. So this is your year. Come and join us and come and share the celebration of embroidery with us. We would love to see more groups and community projects too. We did have some groups in last year's, and we had the wonderful See and Learn Foundation from the island of Saba in the Caribbean. That was awesome. Maybe you guys could come back and show us your finished piece, because that would look really exciting. Anything to do with the younger generation would be absolutely wonderful. But if you have a stitching group and you meet regularly and you do some stitching together, do get together and make a little video and share everything you're making. The guys were well represented as well last year. We had Bernard, we had Georgia, we had Juan Pablo, we had Benjamin and Dave and Douglas too. So if you're a chap and you do some stitching, this is absolutely for you too. Come and join in and show us what you're making. So I do just need to talk about some practical stuff. So there's lots of information on the website in more detail about how to make your video on your phone and how to send it to us. So I'll put a link to that in the description below this video. Do go and check that out if you've not made a video before and you're not quite sure what to do, but very important is please make sure that your phone is that way round not that way round, that way round please. That is the format of YouTube. That is the best way to see your embroideries. Every year we have some of that way, and Jonathan has to spend a long time turning it around, and it's quite complicated and we can't see your embroidery so well. So please just make sure your phones are in that format when you record your videos. So it's always nice to see you as well as your work, so you can prop your phone up somewhere in front of you and you can turn the camera around and you can show your embroidery to the phone and you can talk about it and we can see you as well. If you don't want to be in it, that's absolutely fine. Do it the other way round. You can put your embroidery in front of you, you can point your phone at it and just take a little video of it and tell us what you are making and tell us a little bit about it. Don't forget to tell us where in the world you are as well. We don't need your address. Just tell us which country you're in and roughly where you are in the country as well, and we'll see if we can get all the way around the world. If you could please as well leave any music off, so no music on your video at all, please. Don't edit any music into that. YouTube's very hot on copyright, and if it thinks it's something else, it'll give us a copyright strike and it'll take the video down, and that'd be really awful. We don't want them to do that. And if you want to share your social medias or your websites or your Instagram pages, you're absolutely welcome to do that. But again, not on the video. If you send those to us separately, we will put them in the description underneath the video. And if anybody likes your work and they want to get in touch and see what else you can do, they can go to those there. But please do not put them on the actual video as well. I'll share the link at the end and tell you how you can send those to us. I want this video to unite people, not to divide them, so any videos containing any other messages than that of a celebration of embroidery won't be included. And lastly, I know better than anybody how difficult it is to actually make a video. It's a bit tricky to sit in front of it and talk to it all by yourself. It can be a bit weird if you're not used to it. So just pretend you're talking to a friend and you're telling a friend about your piece of work. And don't forget to smile. If you smile when you're making it, it will make the video much easier to make. So the deadline to get your videos to us is Thursday, the 23rd of July 2026, and we're going to make the cut-off time at 12 noon British Summer Time. So that's midday on Thursday the 23rd. That's GMT +1. Do check the time differences where you are in the world. We need to give Jonathan time to assemble everything and get everything together ready to put up. And please don't wait till the last minute. Every year somebody misses the cut off and they're disappointed because they haven't got their video in. So don't wait till the last minute. Go and do it now while it's all fresh in your mind. The sooner you send your video in, the further up the video you will be. So a little incentive there for you to get it done. So please don't leave it to the last minute because I don't want anyone to be disappointed. Now last year we had 78 videos, which gave us a total video length of over 2 hours, which was a lot of fun but a bit of a marathon. So what we thought we would do this year is we would split it up into several videos, and we'll put them up throughout the day on World Embroidery Day on the 30th of July, and we'll start with the first one in the morning. And we will do a premiere viewing of each video that we put up as well. So I will be there, I will join in, and that just means we can get the little chat box going and we can have a little talk to each other and we can talk about the videos and we can share the experience together. So I will be joining in with those. So hopefully, because we're going to spread them out throughout the day, there'll be a time that everybody around the world can join in, wherever you are, whatever time zone you're in. Hopefully we can see you at one of those live premiere events. To get notifications of when those premieres will be live, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. So click the subscribe button, then click the little notification bell. And if you select all, it will give you a little notification when those events are going to happen. But check out my social media as well. So my Facebook page, my Instagram page and my YouTube community page. And I will put information on there as well about the times that those videos are going to be up. So something a little bit different for this year. We're looking at doing an after show party on Zoom fairly soon after World Embroidery Day for all of those of you who have participated in the video. If you'd like to be a part of this, then do let us know. Do send us an email below. I'll put the email address in the description below this video. You can email us there and say, yes, you'd like to be involved in the after show party. And you can also send your socials links to us there too. So you can send us your websites, your Instagram page and your Facebook page. Send us to that email, send them to that email as well, so we can put them in the description of the video. So it's over to you, everybody. If you want some ideas and you want to see what's come before, then do check out the playlist over here. And there's lots more information on the website about how to join in. Follow the link in the description below this video for that. I really look forward to seeing your videos and what you come up with. I'll see you soon.